Attention equals sales. Face it, you can have the best product or service, but if nobody knows about it, you're running one expensive hobby. But how do you stand out in a saturated market with many competitors? Well, if you ask that question a lot, this video is for you. In this video, we will focus on 2 hacks that will make you stand out in the crowd. Hack number 1, do not focus on the one thing. Now, in his New York bestseller book, The One Thing, Gary Keller proposed that you will get extraordinary results by concentrating on your one thing. In a sense, that is true, but by focusing on film only, Kodak became extinct. By focus only on how good they are in the tape and DVD rental space, blockbusters were put out of business by Netflix. When you are so much in love with your product, service, your baby, focusing all your energy on that one thing, you might lose sight of what is happening in your industry. And the danger of this, Romans, is that your customer might move on to another product or service that might serve them better. To avoid this from happening, you must stand back now and then and ask, is my product still a cure for an illness? Is this still the best medicine, or are my customers already immune to the disease? What are you focusing on and why? Let me know in the comments below, because then I can better understand what you struggle with in your marketing. Now, as I explained in this previous video, you should clearly understand the problem your product or service solves, because then you are customer centric and focus on your customer needs. So stop falling in love with your product and start falling in love with your customer needs. This is one surefire way you can stand out in a saturated Me Too market. Hack number 2, stop focusing on the one industry you are in and start looking at the industries around you. When someone has $50 to spoil themselves, they can choose between eating out at a restaurant, getting a massage at a spa, or watching a movie at a theater. All 3 are different industries, but they solve the same problem: taking a break, escaping the work world for a short time. For the past few years, my company analyzed the work of amazing chefs like Grant Accounts and Albert Adria to discover ways in which we can incorporate the innovative experiences that they create in their restaurants into products of our own clients. One company did this brilliantly to stand out from its saturated market, finding a midway between the high-ticket musical theatre productions and the dying industry of the circus. Can you guess? They created the very well-known Cirque du Soleil. Now let's recap. Hack number 1, don't fall in love with your product, fall in love with the customer's needs. After all, that is why your service exists. Look at where your customer is heading in the next 2 or 5 years. And what changes can you make to ensure your solution stays relevant or becomes more critical to their needs? Hack number 2. Because I said, good artists copy, great artists steal. What ideas can you steal from other industries to make your product more unique or your service more relevant? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, because you might put someone else on the right path here. These 2 hacks will definitely prevent you from being another Me Too producer. If you found value in this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel, because that's how we will know that you want more content on this topic. I'll see you in the next video.